Okay, so today is a cold, rainy day, so we are staying inside and coloring. And if you notice, my little colors colored the wall there in blue, then there's a bunch of purple, and a little bit on our coloring books. And then also we have a bunch of purple on the tile floor. What do you expect from two 20-month-olds? Can you say hi? Miss Sienna? Hi, babe. Are you coloring a pretty picture? Miss Sarah, are you coloring a pretty picture? Yes? That's beautiful. You have an elephant and Miss Sienna has a doggy. I waited my whole life for this moment to color with my little girls. Mommy's happy. Can you blow kisses? Blow kiss. No burps. You say excuse me when you burp. Okay. Say bye-bye. Can you wave bye-bye? Thank you.